On today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your subscription to a product right here on Amazon. Let's get into it. Okay, so we have a current subscription to some RX bars. They're basically energy snack bars, and we're ready to cancel out of that subscription. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to my accounts and lists. Obviously, I'm using my desktop version of Amazon. And then we're going to get a subscribe and save items right here. So I'm going to click on that. And this is going to bring up our deliveries. So that's the default tab. You can see here is our RX bars. They're currently unavailable, and so we are basically having to wait on this specific shipment. But this is a great opportunity for me to go ahead and cancel that out. So what we can do is we can come up here to this subscriptions tab. Let me click on this. And then we can hover over the specific subscription that we want to cancel. So let me go ahead and click on this guy. Okay, and then we have some options over here on the right. And what I want to do is actually cancel the subscription right here. Now you can also change your schedule or quantity, as well as a few other delivery options. Again, what I want to do is hit this cancel subscription button. Okay, this is going to ask us just to confirm this, and I'm going to go ahead and come down here. I can select my reason for canceling. I no longer use this product. Now you also have the ability to skip the next delivery if you just want to skip a single delivery. Again, I want to cancel everything, so I'm going to come down here and click cancel my subscription. Okay, there we go. You can see that the RX bar has been canceled. So again, it should be that easy for you guys. Make sure you go through your subscriptions every once in a while just to make sure that you're not purchasing products on a regular basis that you don't necessarily need. Hope that helps, friends. Stay tuned. We got a bunch more Amazon tutorial videos that are coming out really soon, so you might want to subscribe. And then, hey, if this video has helped, hit that thumbs up button for us. Lets us know we're making decent videos. All right, we'll see you on the next one.